Most skiers think of snow as beautiful, not deadly. But danger may be sleeping right beneath their skis. Avalanche. Few people have ever seen one, but they can unleash awesome destructive power with little or no warning. Picture tons of snow hurtling down a slope like a speeding locomotive, right at you. It's a horrible death. Like drowning, but slower. Buried beneath feet of heavy snow, unable to move or free themselves, victims gradually suffocate and have time to think about it. Avalanches kill roughly 40 people in North America and 100 people in Europe every year. Even the most experienced skiers can find themselves hurtling downhill in a race with death. Australian Andy Stafford and two friends were flown high into the Alps for an adventure film. But this time, they chose the wrong mountain and the wrong challenge. Suddenly, the entire slope gives way. There's no outrunning the monster, as tons of snow come crashing down the hill at over 150 miles per hour.
As soon as it went, I thought, I'm dead, that's it, it's all over. And it sounded like someone dropped a bomb on us. The whole thing fractured heavily, and it was a large cracking sound. And I mean, I pretty much knew immediately that the whole thing broke up. Suddenly the whole thing was moving underneath. I'm the one on the top left-hand side. And I thought I'd go down and get out to the left-hand side after getting enough speed, but I guess I didn't realize this avalanche is getting close to about 250 kilometers an hour plus. That's pretty much all I remember. I yelled and screamed and rolled all the rest of the way down.
Incredibly, all three skiers survived their brush with death. Most people try to avoid